I bought a new Misty. I have the old Misty for a couple of years, like for 5 years. I have the old design, not the new one. Hey, let's see the new Teal Misty. So when I saw them advertised for the Misty and the Black Friday, I said, you know what, I want to get it. Aya, my name is Aya. What is this beautiful envelope? Okay. March 10, 11, 2023. Register begin December. For what? Blend brushes. Joy. And they include a free gift. Paul. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, so this is, I think, free gift. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Okay, yeah, this is what I got in their Black Friday. I don't know what I got. Okay, I need to remember. I know that I got this one. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Is there a receipt to double check? Okay, so this is the Misty. The new one. I have the old one. Oh, beautiful color. Ooh, it's very cool. It feels fancy. Okay, and it comes with one magnet. Cute, and it feels heavy, and there is no sharp edges. Mine has sharp edges. I can show you. This is the old dirty Misty. Yeah, and it's almost broken. I don't know what is this bubbles inside. Not sure if you can see it or not. Anyway, I'm glad I got a new one. So this one is $70. I'm not sure this was on sale or this is the price. I don't know. Okay. The Black Friday offer was on this one, and this one called Second Helpings Blending Bundle. So it comes with tool tray. It has tailed expression. I tried the Amazon one and they were dirty and I returned it. So let's see. So I put mine here and the scrapbook.com paint organizer. So okay, let's see what's inside the bundle. Okay, this inkstand.com. The color is just beautiful. Their inks, I don't have their inks, so we have saltwater taffy, cupcake, cleaning tool, mint julep, I don't know, peaches and cream, macaron, layering stencil, Dutch garden, and finally blending brushes, soft colors. Oh, so beautiful. Hi, Ebu. Hi. Let me see if it's the same bigger size as the one from Amazon or not. خليه يطلع يتفرج. You want to see my squirrel? Hey, come. Can I want to say hi? Ebu. Okay. Yeah, same size, but it has crate. Okay, let's see. They are not falling. I don't have these colors. They're just beautiful. Oh no. Sorry about the crinkling. so beautiful and fancy. Yeah. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these inks or not. I already have Pincrush Studio, Altenew, and Concord and Ninth. So thank you so much for watching. I'm really excited about my new goodies, especially this beautiful Misty tool. Yeah. Rainbow Maker. Cute.